What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Doug Sawyer here, Belmont Machinery Company. Today we're going to take a look at a class act. This 1978 Monarch Model 613, former asset of the Crane Company. It's a 24-inch by 126-inch between centers. Again, Model 613, new in 1978. Very desirable model of Monarch, well built, high quality. It's got hard ways, 4-jaw chuck, spindle speeds up to 1500 RPM. Of course, American built. 2 steady rests, 2-speed tailstock, 3-jaw chuck, chip pans. Matt's got it fired up here for us, spinning in 24 RPM. Got 2 sets of mirrors there if you want to look at yourself while you are running.
Dual dials.
It's in a real low range right now. Stock has good lubrication. Right 3 there, and Matt's hitting the rapid on the Carriage. Just a cool feature. A lot of these 612s and 613s didn't have rapid, so that was an additional feature, or option, I should say. Roller steady rests. I don't have the size on me right now, but take a look at our website. It's all there.
Ready?
Chasing a thread. one's here on our floor, as always, in Aurora, Illinois. And I'm gonna hit you with a real cliche here. They don't build them like this anymore. Call us. Call me, Doug. Call Matt. Make it yours. Thanks, guys.